Welcome, today in front of me Sony Xperia 10 Mark IV, and I'll show you how to install iPhone keyboard on this device. So first we should launch the Play Store application, and in search pool let's enter green Apple keyboard, and now we should get this application. That's why tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while this application downloading and installing on your device. After that, tap to open the app and click enable in settings near green Apple keyboard. Click once on the switcher, tap OK, again OK, and go back. Then click here to switch input methods and switch your keyboard to your current keyboard to the green Apple keyboard. And now just we can see that the process is finished, and let's just go back to for example, let's go to the search pool here and to see the lookup on our new device keyboard, and we can see that this keyboard is so close to the iPhone one as all of the emojis. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.